Hey guys, it's Miss De Los Reyes. Today we're learning about polynomials. We are going to add and subtract polynomials. So the directions will say simplify. And if you look at this expression, we've basically done this a million times already. The reason we're calling it a different section is because we're working with specifically polynomials. This one has two terms, so that's called a binomial. So we're actually adding, in this case, we're subtracting a binomial and another binomial because this also has two terms. And that's just a little bit of terminology for you. But basically, when you have parentheses, you are going to distribute a 1 if you have to. In this case, the positive 1, it's not going to make a difference when you distribute it. So 8x plus 7. However, over here, negative 1, that will make a difference when you distribute. So you get negative 3x minus 7, and then all you do is you're going to combine your like terms. So 8x minus 3x is 5x, and 7 minus 7 is 0. Don't need to write 0, so the correct answer is B. Okay, here we have three terms, so this one's actually a trinomial. And this one's also a trinomial. This one also has three terms, so they're both trinomials. Okay. The one in the front, since that's positive, when you distribute, it's not going to change the signs of any of these terms. I'm just going to recopy it. However, this one will. So that's going to be positive 2x squared plus 6x minus 1. And we're going to combine like terms. So here you have the x squared term. So the coefficient is going to tell you how many you have, negative 4. Plus 2 is negative 2, and the name of the term is x squared, so that doesn't change. That doesn't become x to the 4th or anything like that. Now we're going to combine your x terms. You have 5x plus 6x, so that's 11, and the name of the term is x. And you have the constants, negative 3 minus 1, that's negative 4. So your correct answer is negative 2x plus 11x minus 4, answer choice A. Okay, in this particular example, binomial plus binomial. These are just positive ones in the front, so not going to change anything when you distribute. So 5x squared plus 3 plus 9x plus 7. Combine like terms. You always want to go from the highest power when you combine like terms to the lowest power. So we start off with the 5x squared in this example. There aren't any more 5x squared, so we're just going to write down 5x squared. Then the next lower power is 9x, so positive 9x, and then these two constants will get together for 10. So this is our simplified answer. So the correct answer is B. All right, this one, if you notice, this one has 4 terms, so this one is just going to be called a polynomial. After trinomial, the rest of them we just refer to as polynomials. So this is a polynomial minus a binomial because this one has 2 terms. Same process. The one in the front distributes, not going to change anything, so I'm just going to recopy negative 3x to the third minus x squared plus 2x plus 6. Over here, distributing a negative 1, so that's negative 7x minus 9. And now I'm going to combine like terms. Again, start with the highest power first, which in this case is the third power. So I look to see if there are any other terms that have x to the third. There aren't, so it's just negative 3x to the third. And I like to cross them out after I do it so that I know I've already counted it. This is the only one with an x squared term, so I'm just going to drop that down, minus x squared. I do have 2 x terms, so 2 minus 7 is negative 5x. And then I count my constants, 6 minus 9, negative 3. And this is my simplified expression. Careful when you're doing a matchup because the answer choices are pretty long and lots of symbols and you could miss something. So the correct answer on here, they all look so similar, but here it is. It is D. Thanks for watching, guys.